So, right now, we have some new update related to the Galaxy Z Fold 7. So first up, let's talk about the display of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Samsung has managed to shave off zero point 0.6 millimeters from the Z Fold 7's thickness by removing the digitizer. The Z Fold 7 will have larger displays, similar to the Z Fold Special Edition. Now let's talk about the S Pen in the Fold 7. The Z Fold 7 won't have a digitizer under the display, which enables S Pen functionality. Samsung is switching to AES technology, similar to the Apple Pencil, which requires a built-in battery and charging. The new S Pen will work differently, with the stylus generating the electric field instead of the display. Now let's talk about the battery life of the Fold 7. The Z Fold 7 will retain the same 4,400 milliamp hour battery as the Z Fold 6. No major improvements. The battery life is unlikely to see significant improvements. Now let's talk about the some camera upgrade. The Z Fold 7 come with 200 megapixel camera. The Z Fold 7 will feature a high-resolution main camera. Now we have the improved hinge mechanism. The new hinge will provide a better user experience. Now we have some news related to the front camera upgrade. The Z Fold 7 will have upgraded selfie cameras. And lastly, the Z Fold 7 will have a better water and dust resistance rating. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.